Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline. Guess what? Another Model Y that we just finished customizing. I want to take you through it because this is actually a world's first for us. Starting off for the exterior, these are our brand new 18-inch wheels and tires for a Model Y. Yes, you heard me right, 18-inch, the smallest size you can go. And by putting 18s on your Model Y, you're going to enjoy a much more comfortable daily drive. You're going to be able to protect your wheels from curb rash because the sidewall of this tire is so thick and nice. It actually helps protect the wheels, and these wheels and tires are lighter in weight than all the other sizes available, 19-inch, 20-inch, 21-inch. And that reduction in unsprung weight will actually help you with range and performance. Now let's talk about the interior, another first for us. Let's go inside, let me show you what we did. Welcome to the interior of this Model Y that originally started off as black from Tesla. And as we all know, when you get a Model Y, you really have only two options, a black interior or a white interior. And while I love both, it's kind of nice to have something different, right? I mean, you can't satisfy everybody with choices of just black or white. So we have a wonderful upholstery program. It's an interior seat upgrade kit that allows us to go ahead and reupholster the front and the rear seats in a variety of colors. And today, again, another world's first, I want to share with you a new shade of tan leather that we actually installed on this interior. It's a little bit lighter than the regular tans we've done in the past, but also a little bit brighter. I absolutely love it. It's a really great color. This seat pattern is actually what we call Tesla original because it looks almost identical to the way the pattern was when we started, but the inserts are perforated. And perforation means it has all these little like pinholes on the insert of the seat. And the reason why we do that is because, first of all, it looks really good, but more importantly, just makes it a little bit more breathable on those hot days. We took this interior install to another level by taking some of the tan material and actually reupholstering the door panel inserts as well. And I love doing that because it kind of just ties it all in. If we would not have done that, it still would have looked good because it is black from Tesla. But now that we changed the seat colors, I think it's a really good look to extend that somewhere else, and the door panel inserts really lend itself to that. Now, let's talk about the seat program. Yes, we're here in Los Angeles, California. We have a service center that provides installation of our interiors. However, we have affiliates around the country and even into Canada that are approved by T-Sportline to install these interiors. So if you purchase an interior kit from us, we'll actually ship it to you, connect you with our affiliate in your area, and then you could take it there for a quick and easy installation, which typically takes about a day or two to complete. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to hear some comments from you below. Do you like this new shade of tan interior? Would you change the color interior in your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y? I'd love to hear from you. Also, please don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.